All right, guys. So we're down to rehab. Rehabbing, guys. That's just basically, you find the ugly house. Of course, you use the Mayo formula, maximum allowed offer, which is ARV times 70% minus repairs. When you're doing a rehab, you do not, I repeat, do not want to go against that Mayo formula, maximum allowed offer, because anything can happen when you're renovating a house. We like to factor in 10% because it's always something that pops up that you didn't know about until you take that house loose. You start finding all type of problems. So rehab, guys, maximum allowed offer minus 70%. And you want to get a licensed contractor to do your repairs. Don't get somebody hanging out at Home Depot and all that crap. You want to know your numbers, get 2 or 3 estimates. 2 to 3 estimates and get some referrals. Because some contractors, guys, will try to work on your property and work on somebody else's property at the same time, and yours is not getting done. And it's costing you every day when you're rehabbing. So make sure you guys get 2 or 3 quotes. Go with the best one and the one with the best reviews. You gotta be on your P's and Q's with a rehab. Don't play with it. Get professional quotes. That way you can make it do what it do. All right? Keep growing and going, baby. How you doing, guys? May 3rd. Write this down on your calendar. May 3rd, we got our highly anticipated Subject to Masterclass, guys, where we walk you through the entire process on how to buy properties subject to the existing mortgage. Even if you're new, even if you're a seasoned investor, we got you. We walk you step by step. We actually hold your hand and show you how to execute on these deals, how to find these deals, how to fund these deals, how to market for the deals, and guys, how to make it a win-win situation for everybody involved. So join us May 3rd, 7 p.m. for our Subject to Masterclass. We got 50% off right now. I don't know how long this is going to last, but we got 50% off right now. Don't miss out, guys. Change your life, bring your leads, and let's make it happen, baby.
Hey, I just want to shout out Eddie, Mr. Transaction Engineer in the TE Academy for helping me get to my first Subject 2 deal within 2 weeks of joining. I recommend the TE Academy to anybody that's trying to take their real estate investing business into another level. I've been doing wholesaling for a while now, and I want to add the creative financing and creative ways of doing deals to my tool belt to maximize my marketing dollars. And Eddie and the TE Academy really helped me do that. I would recommend this to anybody, especially with Eddie. He'll hold your hand and get you through your first deal, and he takes the fear out of doing that deal. So just go check him out, TE Academy. I recommend it to anybody if you want to take your business to the next level and excel what you're doing now. Check him out.